back pain is also the hazard. Then next is to it, the person is carrying CPU. He is may he fall down.
Yeah.
That is also hazard.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, error in the computer and he gets frustrated for this activity. Apart from that, there is one hazard for open drawer.
Yes.
If he is moving back, it may hit him.
Yes.
Next, the toner,
Yes.
open box of the toner,
Yes.
it may fall and it is a hazard. It is near to her nose.
Chemical
So,
hazard.
It is chemical hazard.
Yes.
After that, there is a purse
Yeah.
which has a belt.
Hmm.
She may fall down
Yes.
by engaging that
Entanglement. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today I'm attending iOS training and I'll be trying to identify as much hazards as possible in the picture behind me. So
You explain only major five. Yeah. With the consequences.
with the consequence.
So everyone get an idea.
But this soda bottle is kept in this moving so it can fall and cause an electric shock or any accident.
Okay, good.
He's wearing a tie which might get stuck in this moving machine and can cause an accident.
So what control measure we can provide? Like
You
the
should remove this tie or
Yeah.
this loose material to
yeah. So we can make some like a site rule. The visitors not allowed with the site.
with
Or otherwise-
tie or any
Yeah.
like gamcha or anything.
Yeah. The loose clothes.
Loose clothes.
Yeah. So we can provide the barricades, some type of a barrier we can provide
Barricade, yes,
for the visitors. Transparent barrier we can provide.
Sir, no fire safety like fire exit is not marked and
Anywhere. Yeah. Fire exit.
fire extinguisher is also not there.
Not. Yeah. Why the fire extinguisher required? Like just we
Sir,
why identified.
but this is a hot oil.
Yeah.
Hot oil operation is using it in the
Yeah.
picture, so it might cause fire and there should be fire.
Safety should be provided. That's why.
Past 3 days of this IOSS certification course has been really good learning experience. One learning that I would like to take from here and implement at site is, we have been listening about safety all through our careers, but today actually in last 3 days I learned why it is important to manage safely. The financial requirements, the legal requirements, the moral requirements, that will actually push me to manage safely at sites.
Good. Very nice.
सर
नमस्कार
मैं कोकिल प्रसाद यादव सीनियर मैनेजर क्वालिटी कंट्रोल MBDP। ये 3 दिन से हमने आयोस का ट्रेनिंग अटेंड किया और ट्रेनिंग के दौरान हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें एब्जॉर्ब किया, स्पेशली हीरा हजार्ड आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड रिस्क असेसमेंट। इट वाज वंडरफुल फॉर अस। और जो भी चीज़ें हमने सीखा वो जाके हमारे जो लो स्तर पे हमारे जो वर्कर बंधु हैं उनको जाके हम सिखा के उनसे कैसे अच्छे से काम ले सकते हैं, सुरक्षित तरीके से काम लेके विदाउट फैटल अगर हम उसमें से निकल पाए तो हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट होगी। इसमें हम एक स्लोगन के माध्यम से हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हमारी असली पहचान अभी बाकी है, हमारी असली इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। हमने तो अभी सीखा है आयोस, अभी निबोस बाकी है। थैंक यू।
Good evening, one and all. Ravindra here. At the end of this iOS certification course, I would like to express my takeaway. What I learned from this last 3 days it was very insightful learning for all of us. Majorly, there are 7 modules which we are previously aware, but the thing after completing these sessions, we are definitely having a different approach to look at that and implement on site. As far as concerned to my key takeaway, there is a first one is the risk assessment, risk management, which is very important to understand the probabilities and the consequences, and the control which we can apply to reduce down the consequences of that particular hazard, which will definitely help us to save the lives and injuries on site, which is related to mans and materials. Apart from that, the safety pyramids concept, which was very useful for me on site. As far as concerned to our management guidelines and safety rules, we have to find out maximum near miss cases or unsafe act and unsafe condition, which will definitely lead to minimize all the damages to property as well as the injuries to human life. This is all from my end. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.